Hi. Right, so let's start with this interesting variation of a hinged clamp. You gotta agree, it is quite unconventional. And so in this case, it goes right on the tabletop. See? You can rotate it to your heart's content. And you can regulate the clamping force by means of a screw. Now this next adaptation is a quick clamping option made of a cylinder gun. We should admit that the clamping force is far from the original version, but for minor purposes, it is a manageable solution, especially when you happen to have a spare cylinder gun. But if you still have plans to use your gun, then perhaps you'd like to consider making one of these. In this case, the gun remains its initial purpose, so you can still use it to apply the sealant. By the way, if you come up with a handle, then you can use this thing to carry around sheet materials, much like so. Now, I find this next eccentric clamp module rather interesting. See what happens when you twist it? It is fast, easy, and safe. And here's a different variation. It's made of metal, so you can pick whichever you like most. If you happen to have some square pipe leftovers, then those can make for a great clamp. It uses an eccentric-based clamping mechanism. There are two cuts in the pipe, and there's a rounding on a handle that actually serves the purpose of an eccentric. If the plate that takes the pressure is made of a spring steel, then it should serve you long and well. Alright, here's another one. It will rid you of the necessity to use vise. It comes in really handy when using a drilling machine or a drilling stand. So basically what you do is you adjust the height and press the part with the help of a lever. The cool thing about it is that your other hand remains free. And so finally, here's a clamp/pin. It's made of two pieces of wood and a piece of polypropylene pipe. Really easy to make. And those were only a few types of self-made clamps. If you guys like this composition and you want to see more of this stuff, share your comments and remember to press the like button. That helps a lot. See you soon!